Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Samsung soundbar. For resetting your soundbar, you have to follow this step properly. Here you can see how to soft reset a Samsung soundbar. To perform a soft reset on your soundbar means to reboot it. It may not seem like this can make any difference, but power cycling a soundbar in this way, we can resolve odd behavior or unexpected issues. Here what to do. Turn off your soundbar and disconnect it from power. Make sure the device is fully powered down. Then second, wait at least 30 seconds. Third, plug the soundbar back it and turn it back on. Once it's powered back up, test it out and see if it's working. Then, how to hard reset a Samsung soundbar. Hard resetting your soundbar involves completely resetting the device back to factory defaults. Although it sounds complicated, it really just involves a single button press. Here is a note for you. You can say a caution. A hard reset will restore the software back to factory defaults. This means the soundbar will forget all its data, which includes paired devices. You will need to re-add Bluetooth devices after the reset is finished. The steps is here. The first, turn off the soundbar using its power button or the remote. Then hold down the power button on your soundbar for about 10 seconds. Third, release the button when you see the message I and T on the soundbar. If there is not a message, you might instead see a blinking red light. Then at the fourth step, wait while the soundbar finishes up and prepares for first use. That's the method for resetting your soundbar. Now, the other reset methods. Here are a couple of other hard reset methods you can try if the above directions were unhelpful. Repeat the hard reset steps, but this time hold down the play and pause button on the remote in place of the power button. For step 2, after about 10 seconds, turn soundbar back on and try using it again. Then turn the soundbar on, press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Wait for the soundbar to restart. Follow these steps one by one. See which one works for you. If any of them doesn't work for you, then let us know in the comments below. We will be glad to help you. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on this bell icon. We will get back to you soon with next video. Until then, goodbye.